I'm Carl Johnson. The president of Old Guys with Old Cars. I'm the proud owner of this 68 Chevrolet Chevelle SS396. Bought that car about 10 years ago, Arizona, Kingman, way up on top of a rocky mountain, had no rust whatsoever. It was a race car. I bought it, redid the whole car myself, did all the body work and paint, engine, interior, complete. And what you're looking at now is a car that was finished approximately 3 months ago with Recaro seats, brand new carpets and dash and gauges in it. Got a brand new Chevrolet big block sit down in it, 454. Got a Dana 60 rear with some wide tires on the back, full tubs and roll cage in it. I don't race it, it's a street car. Just drive it on the street, cruise with the guys. Loving it and enjoying it. Hope you love it too. Future plan is to drive it, enjoy it. Take it to a few shows, cruise with the fellas.